Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium price prediction based on Elliott Wave Analysis. Let's see the intraday for the metals, starting with the gold. As we mentioned, our target is not yet taken for a wave 4. We're expecting here a deeper wave 4, and that as alternation here with this wave 2. This is a very shallow wave 2 based on this one too. It's a 0.38 for a wave 2 almost. Therefore, I'm expecting the 0.38 as well, rather than just the 0.23 for a wave 4. And there we are. The timing is there also, and I believe we are going to take it in an A, B, and a C. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4 and a 5 potentially. And we might continue the drop toward the downside for a wave 5. So I'm still seeing, of course, this impulse unfolding healthy. Nothing yet is invalidated. Our invalidation is still very far, 4,126. So we are still in a good shape here to push towards the downside for a wave 5 to hit our blue box 0.618 and 1 to 1, $3,800. This blue box is a potential 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5, which it can go deeper towards the 1.618 extension here for a $3,500 as a psychological number here, which is very close to our target as well. So psychology, of course, Elliott Wave is based on psychology, guys, and that's why I'm saying also a 3,500 is very psychological, especially in the gold and silver, guys. So psychology with the numbers is very, very essential. So I still think that the 3,500, it can be very likely, especially that our channeling here that we see every day in the daily analysis is suggesting this for a long term. Yep, so this is regarding the gold. For the silver, we're looking also at this blue box hit since yesterday, as expected, perfect target. And we're looking still for our wave 4, traced, of course, from the daily and from yesterday. So wave 4 is not yet even hitting the minimum requirement, $0.2360 is a very, very likely still to be taken as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Invalidation is still very far, $63.36. And we're going to take it from there once we start to see something, of course, pushing toward the downside in a wave 5, 4, and a 5. For a lower, and be careful, the $50, I would say, as psychological number as well, is very likely as well for the silver, guys. Yeah, so we are in a large 1, 2. Don't forget this large 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 unfinished. And we still need a large 4 and a 5. And that means $50. Even the extension will be taken sooner or later for the silver as well. That was it for silver. Let's move to palladium. For palladium as well, we're looking at the 1 hour chart here. For the intraday, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, very likely the wave 5 in palladium is finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And I start to see something unfolding, but this something is not yet completed as a signal of strength, because we need the 5 waves up, 3 waves down, pushing higher and taking this high here where we raise our green flag. Looking at the 1 to 1 fib level, looking for a decisive move here, and then another green flag, meaning 1.618, meaning bullish, right? Here where we call the bullish at the 1.618, 4 and a 5. If completed, then that means, of course, the trend is toward the upside. Okay, we have completed here. Then we have completed then our trend for an impulse toward the upside here. Okay, so this is how we're going to take it step by step. So it's still very early to say that we are bullish, of course, from here, guys. But things can retrace definitely toward the upside, because there is a probability here that you might have finished all the structure. Yeah, so that means a large ABC can be, or even a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 also finished. Okay, so in both case scenario, I would say that this might be, of course, finished there. This is our wave 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, we can look for higher. We're going to test the thing. So what I'm going to test right now is an extension. Extension means like a wave 2 as an impulse might be unfolding here. So my minimum target to retrace right now for palladium is $1,216, the 0.38 Fibonacci level. And this is the minimum requirement, meaning we have to take this area. We have to take this level before we continue toward the downside. That was it for the metals, gold, silver, and palladium. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.